Quickly connect devices to a server on your site on Avigilon Unity Video. Here's how. Every camera or device that connects to Avigilon Unity Video requires a license. Please verify the number of available channel licenses with your system administrator before adding a new device. From the View tab on Avigilon Unity Video, click the New Task menu in the top left corner and click Site Setup. Select the server you want to connect a device to, then navigate to Connect, Disconnect Devices. In the Discover Devices window, select the device you wish to connect and click Connect. To connect third-party devices, use their built-in drivers. In the connection type drop-down list, select Primary. In this example, we're connecting a camera. If the camera supports a secure connection, the device drop-down list is displayed. You can select Secure or Unsecure. In the network type drop-down list, select LAN or WAN. Select WAN network type to connect devices on your local network if the Internet Control Message Protocol is blocked or disabled. Click OK. Enter the password for the administrator username or create a username and set a new password. If you forget the login credentials for your device, you will need to factory reset the device. Refer to the device manual for further instructions. Click OK. Return to the View tab and locate your newly connected device. You can now display the device on your image panel. Need to replace a device? Visit the user guide linked in the description below. And for more Avigilon videos, subscribe to this channel.